Experts have stressed the urgent need to redefine fiscal responsibilities and oversight functions to enhance the performance of the House of Representatives Public Accounts Committee. This was part of the submissions of the CEO Africa Development Studies Center, Ambassador Victor Walsh Oluwafemi, at the one-day national colloquium on the unveiling of Public Accounts Committee, PAC of members of the 10th Assembly and Leadership Training in Abuja. While welcoming participants at the event, Ambassador Victor Walsh Oluwafemi talked about the significance of the
principles of fiscal responsibility and good governance for the common good of all.
Speaking at the event, the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, represented by the Director of Economic Research, Mrs. Ogbonna, applauded the giant strides of the Public Accounts Committee.
The work the Public Accounts Committee is doing in the nation. And as a new body that has been elected and constituted, you are coming on board. You've started very well. He appreciates you, and he's looking forward to a cordial relationship between PAC, the chairman, and its committee. We are all partners in progress.
While delivering his keynote address, the Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, Benjamin Kalu, noted that the National Assembly will deepen its engagement with executive arm of government and called on President Bola Tinubu to.
The work of the PAC is complemented by the Office of the Auditor General of the Federation. It is in this light that the Auditor General's office needs to be occupied. The appointment should be in place because it is a requirement of the Constitution. So this is a call to Mr. President to look into confirming the person who is there now or anybody of his choice to take up the role of the Auditor General of this country. It will send the right signal out that this government is really ready to pursue taxpayers' money.
Similarly, the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee, represented by Mr. Bamidele Salam, says
committees must actively engage NDAs to ensure optimal service delivery in accordance with legislations passed by the National Assembly. He further charged that in the discharge of this assignment, we must be guided by established legislative ethics and standing orders of the.
The Public Accounts Committee is under the leadership of Honorable Bamidele Salami, with Honorable Jeremiah Umaru serving as the Deputy, Honorable Femi Festus Ogusoya, who serves as the Director and Clerk of the Public Accounts Department. Notable speakers at the workshop included experts from various fields like Dr. Idahosa Osamanze, a renowned expert in strategic leadership, Dr. Francis Musa Damboy, a specialist in financial oversight, and Samuel Orouje, an expert in crisis management. And away from that, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has revealed substantial growth in state bonds value, registered in 1978, increasing from 20 million naira to 1.13 trillion naira in the debt capital market. This growth is attributed to reforms aimed at protecting investors and improving market confidence. SEC is committed to ensuring transparent operations of rating agencies. The 10-year Capital Market Master Plan seeks to deepen the debt capital market and unlock private capital for infrastructure projects. Private funding for infrastructure is crucial to bridge the gap, and transparency in project generation and cost-benefit analysis is essential. The webinar also highlighted the importance of infrastructure investment for for economic growth and job creation. The goal is to leverage the credit rating industry to drive economic development and prosperity in Nigeria and the African continent. And moving, Netflix's efforts to crack down on password sharing has led to a boost of 6 million subscribers in the third quarter. As the only major profitable streaming service, Netflix has refrained from raising its ad-free prices this year, instead focusing on limiting password sharing beyond households. Analysts say that the price increase might be considered after the Hollywood actors' strike is resolved. Despite the strike, Netflix has managed the situation well thanks to its global reach and strong content library. The company is also expected to raise prices for its ad-free options, potentially driving more subscribers toward the ad-supported tier, projected to generate around $188.1 million in revenue for the third quarter. Wall Street expects robust quarterly subscriber additions for Netflix, with third quarter revenue likely increasing by 7.7% to $8.54 billion.